Welcome students in New Era Public Schools English class. Chapter number 1, Why Meena Could Not Sleep. And today's thought is Look back and get experience. यानी पीछे देखकर यानी अपने बीते हुए कार्यों से हमें अनुभव प्राप्त करना चाहिए. And our today's topic is describing things. Today we will know how we describe things. Friends, take out your textbook English Junction. You know who is the editor of this book? Dr. Samson Thomas. And he was the professor of English and foreign language in Hyderabad. Now, take out its page number 6. In page number 6, today we will do our writing work of chapter 1. When we describe a thing, we talk about how it looks and why or how we use it. We use describing words for size, color, shape, smell, taste, and so on. Like, here is a description of a watch. A watch is a very small clock. Number 2 is we wear it around the wrist. Number 3 is it helps us tell the time. Number 4 is my watch is round and white. In description of this watch, we talk about how it looks. A watch is very small clock. And why or how we use it. It helps us tell the time. And we wear it around the wrist. And we also describe the words for size, color, or shape. My watch is round and white. And a watch is a very small clock. It describes the clock like small clock, round and white watch. Now, describe these things in 3 or 4 sentences. Write them in your notebook. Here are 2 pictures. One picture is of carrot and the other one is a cat. And here are some clues. And by these clues, we will make 3 or 4 sentences about these. Now, look at number 1. Here are the clues about the carrot. Vegetable, orange, long, good for health, grows under the ground. And how we will make the sentences by using it. Now look at number 1 sentence. The carrot is a vegetable. It is long and orange. Here I use the next clue. Carrots are very good for health. Here I use the next clue. And by this way, we will use our next clue. The carrot grows under the ground. Now, look at number 2. These clues are about the cat. Mini, 1 ear, grey, fish and rice, climb trees and walls, catch mice. Now, look at these sentences. This cat is called Minnie. Here we use our first clue. She is 1 year old. And in this sentence, 1 year old, we use this clue. She is grey. And here we use our third clue. Now our next clues are fish and rice. So we will make the cat eats fish and rice. Climb trees and walls. We can write the cat again and again, and we can also write in place of cat its pronoun it, means it can climb trees and walls. या फिर the cat can climb trees and walls. Next clue is catch mice. The cat can catch mice. या फिर cat catches mice. या फिर it catches mice. Now we will write these sentences in our fair notebook. So, are you ready for it? Take out your fair notebook. And what is the number of your English notebook? 1 number notebook. Which number notebook? 1 number notebook. So, take out your 1 number notebook quickly with your sharp pencil and eraser. Now, student, first of all, you will write down today's date. And then, in right side, in box CW. And then in first line, write down the heading carrot. And if you want to draw the picture of a carrot, you can. Now, write down number 1 sentence. THE, the, CARROT, carrot, is a, vegetable, vegetable, full stop. Now, write down number 2 sentence. IT, it, is, LONG, long, AND, and, ORANGE, orange, full stop. It is long and orange. And here I use its pronoun it. Now look at number 3. Carrots are very good for health. CARROTS, carrots, ARER, VERY, very, GOOD, good, FOR, for, HEALTH, health, full stop. Now, write down number 4 sentence. It grows under the ground. You can also write the carrot grows under the ground. IT, it, GROWS, grows, UNDER, under, THE, the, GROUND, ground. Now, if you have space in this page, you can write the another topic of cat. If you have not space in this page, you can use your another page. And here I draw the picture of a cat. If you want to make this picture, you can draw. Now we will write the sentences related by this cat. Now look at number 1 sentence. This cat is called Minnie. THIS, this, CAT, cat, is, CALLED, called, MINI, Minnie. Now look at number 2 sentence. She is 1 year old. Full stop. SHE, she. In place of mini or in place of cat, we can use its pronoun she because it is a female cat. SHE, she. IS is ONE, 1. YEAR, year. OLD, old. Now you would have a question, how I know it is a female cat? I know by her name, Minnie, and Minnie is a female name. Write down our next sentence, number 3. She is grey in color. SHE, she. IS is GREY, grey. IN, COLOUR, color. Now write down number 4 sentence. She eats fish and rice. Full stop. SHE, she. EATS, eats. FISH, fish. AND, and RICE, rice. Now she can climb trees and walls. SHE, she. CAN, can. CLIMB, climb. TREES, trees. AND, and. WALLS, walls. And its last number 6 is she can catch mice. SHE, she. CAN, can. CATCH, catch. MICE, mice. Now student, take out your worksheet. Students, this is your PA1 worksheet and its short form is WS. Now take out its page number 4. In page number 4, we will do this writing portion. So write down here CW. Now look at question number A. Describe these things in a few sentences. And here is a sweater. And we will describe this thing by these clues. And clues are types of clothing, made of wool, wear in winter, keeps us warm, wear blue sweaters in school. Now start writing with me. So write down number 1. Tell me student, in which object we are writing? Writing on sweater. So start writing with this word. Sweater is a type of clothing. TYPE, type. OF, of. CLOTHING, clothing. Full stop. Now we will write our next sentence number 2 with the help of this clue, made of wool. This sweater is made of wool. So we will write here, it is made of wool. Now look at number 3 sentence with our third clue, wear in winter. So student, tell me, when we wear the sweater? We wear sweater in winter. So we will write down this sentence here. We wear sweater in winter. Full stop. Now look at number 4 sentence. With the help of this clue, keep us warm. So who keep us warm? Who keeps us warm? Sweater keeps us warm. So we will write this sentence here. Sweater keeps us warm. Full stop. Now we will write our next sentence with this clue. Wear blue sweaters in school. Do you know where do we wear blue sweater? We wear blue sweater in school. So we will write this sentence here. We will write this sentence here. We wear blue sweater in school. Full stop. Hope now you would understand how we make sentence with the help of clues. Now take out page number 5. In our page number 5, here is a picture of apple. Now we will describe this apple. Do you know how we describe this picture? With how it looks and why or how we use it. What is the size and color and shape, smell or taste of it, and so on. And now we will describe this apple with the help of these clues. The options are fruit, red, sweet and juicy, good for health, small seeds used to make cakes and jam. Do you know which fruit is this? This is an apple. So we will write with this clue. Now look at number 1 sentence. Apple is a fruit. Full stop. And what color is this? This is in red color. So we will write it has red COLOUR color. Student, we find apple in green color too. But here we find red, so that I wrote it. And you can also write it has red and green color. Okay. Now look at number 3 sentence. We will write this sentence with the help of sweet and juicy. And do you know which pronoun we will use for the apple? The apple is only one. That's why. And it is a fruit name, means thing name. So we will use pronoun it. It is sweet and juicy. Juicy, juicy, full stop. Now we will write number 4 sentence with the help of this clue, good for health. It is good for our health. HEALTH, health. Now we will start writing number 5 sentence from here. With this clue, small seeds. Who have small seeds? Apple has small seeds. So we can write it has small seeds. Do you know why I use this helping verb here? Has. When we have anything like I have a pencil, you have a pencil, I have a nose, I have 2 ears. It means for possessions we use helping verb has and have. And for singular noun यानी one चीज के लिए for one thing we use helping verb has. Okay, now we will write our 6 number sentence here with this clue, used to make cakes and jam. So we will write it used to make cakes and jam. Full stop. Now student, here are two another topics. First one is horse and its clues are animal, 4 legs and a tail, can run very fast, can sleep standing up, long hair called mane. And number B question is essay and the topic is the cat. And here are some hints or clues for making this essay. Pet animal, 2 eyes, 2 ears, 4 legs and a tail, green and yellow eyes, different colors, drink milk, catch mice, climb trees, and here should be walls. WALLS, walls. So student, this is your homework. Do you know what is the full form of HW? Homework. You will describe both the horse and the cat with these clues. Okay student, hope you will understand very well how to make sentence. Now we will check our yesterday's homework. Question number A. Change the underlined nouns to the correct male or female words. The female of father is mother, bull, cow, drone, queen, boar, sow, cock, hen, dog, bitch. Question number B. Change the underlined nouns to the correct male or female words. Sister's male word is brother. Tiger's female is tigress. Queen Male is king. Duck is drake. Cow. Male is bull. Now look at question number A of a grammar. Cat. It is in singular form. Cows. It is in plural. Knives, also in plural form. Leaves in plural form. Cherries in again plural form. And fisherman is in singular noun. Goodbye everyone and take care.